Okay, on the night of March 2nd, we had a tornado came through Harrogate, Tennessee, and I'm going to show you some of the damage that happened. We're actually right here in the heart of where it came through, so we'll show you some of the damage that occurred. Looks like there's been a tree pulled down on top of a house here. Major damage back here in the back. Trees broken in half like they were nothing. There's Johnny.
Are we putting this on YouTube?
As you can see here, we've got cedar trees just broken in half. And we're going to get down to the major part. Watch out for those lines, Johnny. Stay over here. We've got transformer laying here. Got a piece of tin up there on the telephone pole wrapped around the wire.
Don't step on it!
Back here in the back, we've got a boat with a bunch of stuff laying on it. They've cut the trees out of the road here. They're actually down here loading stuff up. Right here we have a rooftop that came off of the house. Look at all the damage here.
How much do that?
We actually have a truck under there where the roof came down on top of it. Fence down.
Donna, get over here.
Watch out for nails. Look here. Get him over here. Look here. Watch out for nails in these boards. Watch out for nails in the boards. Right here's major damage. Trees down over the cars. All this stuff laying on top of the vehicles here.
That's what we were telling you about last night. That's what we were so worried about.
Look at that tree down over the house. Here's part of a roof right here. Part of a building laying on the side of the road. I don't know if you can see over in the field, but there's a barn that's been totally demolished over there.
I can't see her.
Looks like people's going to help and stuff. Y'all go get that tree, look.
Hey! Firewood!
Hey.
You got a bunch of people out right here. This tree here's been, side's been taken off the tree.
Mom, look at that winter tire.
Come right here, you see it.
There's a trailer down there under the
Right here,
hill.
you see it.
Looks like the trailer's been gutted down there. On the other side of the hill up there in the wood line, you can see where it went through up there.
I think the tornado just...
Looks like we've got a little dog that made it through. me pet him. Come here. Did you make it through the storm, buddy?
Did you make it?
Hmm? You make it through the storm?
Yeah. Oh, excuse me.
I can see damage on up that way where it came through here. The fence is torn down here.
Hey, Mom, look. Hey, Mom, look at that.
We've got a big tree up here that's been uprooted. Windows have been boarded up here. It probably blew the windows out of the house.
Maybe they were smart enough to put them up beforehand.
Hello? No.
Oh, no.
Got a bunch of wood right here. Looks like there was a building right here, maybe. I don't know. They might have torn it down. Well, look here. That's the wood laying over there. That was probably part of the building it took up.
Well, it probably stopped right there. Whoa, look at that Mustang! If that, Dad,
There's part of a, it's hard to tell what that is, if it was a camper or part of the building.
Because of the door.
Look at this big tree that's been uprooted. It's a pretty good sized tree here.
What it can do, little man.
Pretty good sized hole right here.
pick up all the checks. Mom, pick up all the checks.
So as you can see, if you're in the direct path of a tornado, it's definitely something not to take lightly. Looks like we have a big white truck that's come in down here, flashing red lights.
All right, baby, come on. There's a piece of the house.
I got pictures. Put it down. Put it down.
There's insulation and everything in the trees right down there. It's just riddled with insulation.
Here's another part of the
Red
house.
Cross.
Hey, here's another part of the house.
Is that Red Cross there?
I think it's Salvation Army.
Salvation Army? Yeah. Well, at least the house is not completely destroyed.
What? Look at that truck.
Look at their vehicles, though. I got pictures.
Take a stick and come out here and bang. That's a tornado. Dude, Mom, look at that nice car got squished. Oh, see?
Did she give a statement?
Yeah, she'll talk to us.
She will? Okay. Just kind of filming this thing. I might put it on YouTube. She's coming back in a minute.
Yeah, she said she would.
She's going to give a statement. This lady. I want to hear what she says about what it was like when it came through. Come on.
Oh, you're okay. So I did this purple in a minute. So, that's your son? Did you guys both live together? Yes. Oh, okay. I will try to get my photographer, and I'll be right back. Okay.
So what was it like when it came through last night?
Extremely loud.
Yeah. I guess you guys in the bathroom or something?
Smith's house.
Bobby's up here, the house up there with the Mustangs, Bobby.
Oh, Bobby Smith. Bobby Smith's house. Bobby Smith's
Smith,
right here.
Smith.
That's what I thought. Yeah, that's Smith.
Wow.
Okay.
Unbelievable.
Oh, and this is how the woman is.
So what time did it come through last night?
About maybe 8 o'clock. I'm not sure.
8 o'clock.
We were watching for it.
Yeah. Sound like they say like the freight train coming whenever it...
It did when it was going over because I had told them, I think we had seen something about it was about 2 minutes from Harrogate, and I told them we have to do something. And I was going to the closet. They were going down the hallway, and I told them, I said, it's here because it really does, like they said, it sounds like a freight train. It's a loud noise.
Are you guys covered? Is the insurance company going to cover everything? Well, that's good.
I just have to, we can't do anything else except wait on the adjuster.
I'm glad it didn't do no worse. Thank
I said it
God.
could have been a lot worse.
It
We
could
could have been
have,
hurt
yeah, it really
because
could have.
I mean, it was like here before we really knew it.
Yeah.
You hear it and it's there. But it was over just a matter of seconds. I mean, it wasn't that long.
Are they looking for volunteers to come help, or are they going to actually do it themselves, or the city?
I don't know.
Yeah. Okay. Well, thank you very much.
Let's go, honey. Let them do their thing. Come on,
Okay. A lot of people coming to look. And this is just one section of where it came through. I'm sure there's a lot more damage upstream of where this happened. I'm sure the damage is the same all the way upstream. Okay, we just did a video on what happened here on March the 2nd. Thanks for tuning in and have a good day.